Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to maintain a bit more privacy on Facebook, specifically how to hide your home location from certain friends. Maybe you don't want everyone knowing exactly where you live, or perhaps you're planning a surprise and need to keep some details under wraps. Whatever the reason, Facebook allows you to customize who sees your location information. This tutorial will guide you through the steps on a PC, especially with the new updated interface. Let's dive in. 1. Open Facebook. First things first, head over to facebook.com and log into your account. 2. Go to your profile. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Click on it to open a menu, and then click on your name to go directly to your profile page. 3. Access the About section. On your profile, you'll see several tabs like Posts, About, Friends, and Photos. Click on the About section. This is where all your basic information lives. 4. Find your home location. Scroll down in the About section until you find your home location. It usually says something like, lives in your city. 5. Adjust the audience settings. Next to your home location, you'll see a little icon that looks like an audience selector. It might be set to public, friends, or something else. Click on this icon. This opens a drop-down menu with various visibility options. 6. Choose Friends. Accept. In the drop-down menu, select Friends Accept. This option allows you to hide your home location from specific people while still showing it to your other friends. 7. Select the friends. A list of your Facebook friends will appear. Now, simply select the friends you want to hide your home location from by clicking on their names. A check mark will appear next to their names, indicating they won't be able to see your location. 8. Save changes. After you've selected all the necessary friends, scroll down and click the Save Changes button. And that's it. Your home location will now be hidden from the friends you selected. This is a great way to control who sees your information on Facebook without completely hiding it from everyone. Remember that you can change these settings at any time if you change your mind or want to update your privacy preferences. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.